Imagine you're a salesperson. You've just closed a big deal, and you're feeling on top of the world. But then, your boss drops a bomb on you. Great job, but we're going to take a portion of your commission as a spiff. What is a spiff? Why is it taken, and how does it affect your earnings? Defining spiff. A spiff, short for Special Incentive for Performance, is a type of bonus or commission paid to sales representatives to encourage them to sell specific products or services, achieve certain sales targets, or perform other desired actions. It's essentially a reward system designed to motivate salespeople to go above and beyond their regular duties. Types of spiffs. There are several types of spiffs, each with its own unique characteristics. Product-based spiffs. These are offered for selling specific products or services. For example, a salesperson might receive a spiff for selling a high-margin product or a new product launch. Volume-based spiffs. These are awarded for achieving a certain sales volume within a specific period. For instance, a salesperson might get a spiff for exceeding their monthly sales quota. Performance-based spiffs. These are given for exceptional performance, such as achieving a high customer satisfaction rating or closing a complex deal. Team-based spiffs. These are awarded to teams for achieving collective goals. This can foster a sense of camaraderie and teamwork among salespeople. How spiffs work. Spiffs can be structured in various ways. They can be a flat fee, a percentage of the sale, or a combination of both. Sometimes, spiffs are paid out immediately upon achieving the target, while others may have a delay. The pros and cons of spiffs. While spiffs can be a powerful motivational tool, they also have potential drawbacks. Pros. Increased sales. Spiffs can drive sales by incentivizing salespeople to focus on specific products or services. Improved performance. They can motivate salespeople to go the extra mile and exceed expectations. Enhanced job satisfaction. Recognizing and rewarding performance can boost morale and job satisfaction. Cons. Potential for manipulation. Spiffs can sometimes lead to unethical behavior, such as pressuring customers or engaging in fraudulent activities. Reduced base salary. In some cases, employers may reduce base salaries to offset the cost of spiffs. Short-term focus. Spiffs can sometimes encourage a short-term focus on achieving targets rather than building long-term relationships with customers. Spiffs and Salesforce. Salesforce, a leading CRM platform, integrates seamlessly with spiff programs. It can track sales performance, calculate spiffs, and automate the payment process. This helps businesses manage spiffs efficiently and ensure that salespeople are rewarded fairly. Spiffs are a valuable tool for motivating sales teams and driving revenue. However, it's essential to implement them carefully and ethically to avoid negative consequences. By understanding the different types of spiffs, their benefits and drawbacks, and how they can be integrated with Salesforce, businesses can maximize their effectiveness. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.